Papi Reino, man. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Hey, I don't know.
Pop it now,
At
man.
this psychological moment, it's going to, oh.
Pop it now, man. You can't pop it.
Next way that.
Jesus Christ, you can't pop it, brother.
I just can't handle it anymore.
My pop the liquor and that. How would it? Man, you can't pop the thing. Pop the thing now, my youth. How are this?
Nah, pull.
Pull it now. Man, pop the thing. Man, you can't pop the radar. So easy as that.
Just like that.
You want a big fat girl on that plate there now?
No eating off the buff.
No eating off the buff. You see a slap with that all blood.
This them sometimes look at them disgusted, you know. Cause when they have one right now, I take me for easier. I take me for easier. True see me just a quarter and go on easy. That's some money more want and God bless me with certain things. And set myself certain way that's comfortable without them. Cause somebody feel one time, you know, comfortable without.
Yo, suppose you go guest house with a woman, and the woman where you will live with, you see she'll come out with the next man.
They tell her, don't do it again. Don't make it happen again.
Say, who do try fight her?
No, I'm gonna fight her.
Why?
Because me I come out with a woman.
Say,
And
what?
she a come in with a man. So it's even, you know what I mean? But true, my woman when I love me say, don't do it again.
If him do what? Yo, yeah. The man him say, if you tell the name pan the hat, you get it.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Alright.
See my son. Same son.
What the
S-L-C-L-E. Slim son.
So the word below.
Slim son.
No, the word below.
Below. T-I-G. T-I-Y.
Try who?
Thank you for
Yo, give me a liquor there. Give me a liquor there, dog. Yo, give me a drink. Let me have a drink. Yo, what you pan that? What you pan that? If you tell the man what you pan that, you get
C-L-E. Slim son. Slim son. Yeah, you don't know for the summer the girl them to keep the buff them fresh and clean because I know the time I want. And you know I can't bother with the smelly buff. You understand? One entertaining fresh buff. Yeah.
Okay, the smell buff.
What you say smell?
You.
You know?
So guys, you feel bad saying you get a youth?
I can't say I'm not feeling a way to that. So when time I reach certain stage and I can't help myself, I beg God to take me, you know what I mean? I beg God to take me. You know, in a position I'll be no problem. So nobody up myself, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know I'm in a problem.
When you reach certain age, you want God for us to take you.
I beg God to take me. But I'm be no problem to nobody. Like how my family, when my family, my cousin them father,
I'm dead.
him just sit down in that chair. Him just sit down in that chair and just leaning it.
So I saw you want.
And it never be a problem to
So I saw
nobody.
you want.
Up himself.
So I saw you want.
Yeah, him not be no
So
problem.
I saw you want.
Yeah, him no one be no problem to nobody. And him did have much speaking around him and wife.
How could a possibly make you happy right now?
Me?
Yeah.
I can't share question. I want you to thanks. You get it? You have a prayer. Please. We go for answer about one little while. God believe me.
You love me? Porsche run.
Yeah, Porsche leader.
She run a whole one.
Show a consequence.
A what?
A consequence.
If a girl come link you the first time and show you her underpants, you gotta take off that?
No, because she's very undescribable. Why we are underpants? If we are G's.
So who the boss of the underpants?
No, look. You see that look. You know my underpants. Me I go and wine it already.
Yeah.
You know, she feel like John the underpants.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? She just a come and me and come with she said she we are underpants. I need that thing.
Sir, remember you say any farmer problem me have me for talk to you.
Most naturally.
So poor me see a girl.
Yeah.
I'm want to approach her, but me not know the lyrics. Oh,
No, my listen. Let's look around and say, baby doll is one of the most elegant women God has put in creation. He's one of the most gorgeous things my eyes just bless upon from morning. I just cannot handle it anymore. What is your name? You should be the first thing I see in the morning when I awake. Believe you me, baby, I'm
Suppose me have bigger the buff.
buff. You just tell her, say, baby, love, your buff is a very important issue. I would like to skin it up now and no joke about it. And I don't want to if and but about that. Just fly now.
Like,
Puppy show.
where you say go on?
Phone. You
Everywhere.
don't hear that powerful.
Yeah. Where you say first, yeah, what go on?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was a very undescribable girl.
Mm.
She go, say, you want me to stop?
Yeah.
A sweet, sweetheart.
So I see that.
I really do. Oh, me not even know where I go.
Where you say first experience. So when the first time when you come, when you know you can come out for you.
Feel nice, never heavy.
Yeah.
Feel nice.
You just a run out of.
Feel like we you know. When you go in the first time, the doors not coming. Would bust off.
When virginity get taken.
Yeah. Yeah, early wet, you know.
Sick. She wet you up.
Me said, she said, me wet her, but my panara and them thing there. You know? They are the sheet.
If you take a virginity, I should take your virginity.
Like a my virginity. She said.
Never remember so.
I never remember say my birthday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow night.
So me have to tell you say your birthday.
I never remember. God believe me. God believe
God
me.
no believe you. God no believe you.
God believe me. I never remember.
You're going to watch it.
So where are we?
Where you are go for me?
Yeah, we go watch it. Yeah, we go watch it.
Not work. Man, I'm word. Watch you there. Where you say go?
What do you get
Watch you.
It's undescribable no heaven.
Yeah.
Believe
And who
me.
know you?
All the police know me.
So where I go now? Which one I go now?
Wait, say you want what? I don't want to turn it over over there now.
Yeah, but we are here, so we are going to Dunziver. Then we are wash off, we are chant some songs.
Yeah, we are chant some song.
So we are going to Dunziver. Big all that change, what a step round there. Yeah, what a step, my boss, what a step. Yeah, what a step. Yeah, go up more. Eh? Yo, go in there, you go chant the psalm. Go and chant the psalm, yeah. 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 Yeah, in a big rock, in a big rock. You chant the psalm. Yeah, Joe. are chanting psalms out there, you know. Chanting psalms. Chant your psalms! Yeah, chant your psalms! Yeah! Big old action! Yo! You enter yourself!
The man do it good, man.
Ray A and his nephew is one of the leading drink. Then that give you the vibes in the eye, you get the vibes in the nose, you get it in the feet. If you take a floss, one old floss, you'll feel it in your 2 feet.
Yeah.
Ray A and his nephew, the leading drink.
Ninja. What?
Ninja.
I saw the country name.
Shoes.
What the shoes make?
Ninja. Mother, she deserve a pot of gold. But Susie deserve a chocolate. Taller than a TV pole.
So yeah, they are cooking on man.
I boil a little porridge.
Yeah, brother.
I see how my favor him, you know? You know, I see how my favor him.
You never do say favor.
Yeah, people tell me I'm a favor.
But you just see.
Yeah, but just I see, look how I look.
What kind of phone this?
I look the clicking one.
What do we?
What are we in the man?
Yo, part do we hit no man? You want move, sir? Food change.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you know.
Watch cough.
Him cough.
From the year start, I don't get none. This year not going to be so. I'm going to get it till I refuse it.
Yeah, the buff.
The buff.
Yeah.
I'm going to get the buff this year till I refuse it.
Definitely.
Yeah, because the buff, the girl them going on some way with the buff, you know. And
Oh, the more you deal with them.
the more you deal with them.
What size away from you?
Yeah, 11 and a half.
Yeah.
And the corn them and the bunion, you have to make it comfortable.
So about a 12.
Normally.
Definitely so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I breathe something for this year without no joke, no skin enough.
And you're yelling for much
Yeah,
here.
getting for 54 years.
So you breathe, you
Cup of rum.
yeah.
Ordinary, extraordinary rum.
You do it.
No eating off the buff.
Yeah.
Yeah, my man, we just sit down over there look a while and say, I never remember, you know, I see some of my dog them come, shot dog them and I come out of car and...
So man say, what you say?
Yeah, my man just run back on the
You
food.
want some food?
Yeah, I want some food. Line me up.
You want more on this?
Put some more in that, man. Put some more in that. Man, I want some more.
Yeah, move on.
You have pepper sauce? You have pepper sauce?
Nah, say grace.
Yeah, man, say grace, man. God bless our food for now. We take and make us good just for your sake. Amen.
You say what?
I'm telling me dry, man. I'm dry. Because it's hot and nice. And put on the plate.
You say thanks.
Yeah, man. What juice? What kind of juice?
Yeah, this strength no good, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes.
Break it.
Break it. Yeah, thanks. The right thing, you know what I mean? It's light and night.
Papi Reno, man. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Hey, I didn't know.
Pop it now, man. This psychological moment is going to out. Pop it now, man. You can't pop it.
Next way, that.
Jesus Christ, you can't pop it, brother.
I just can't handle it anymore.
My pop the liquor and that. How would you can't pop the thing? What? How are this?
Nah, pull.
Pull it now. My pop the thing. Man, you can't pop the radar. How easy as that?
Just like that.